Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about how to add the date picker into your React application. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here let me add this our code in the app.js. So let me update my app.js file, and I'm going to use my basic date picker only. And here we go with our npm I, the package for that one, that is React multi-date picker. Okay, let's try to install it. Or I think node version I need to switch. In VM use node 20. Okay, now I'm trying to add this. Okay, let's go with the legacy. I have installed multiple modules, that's the reason. Okay, let's run npm start, and it will show you the beautiful calendar over here. Okay, and this is your calendar. Now you can select anything, right? So what is the current date? You can select any kind of dates over here, right? So very easy and very nice look of that calendar you can use into your React application. Okay, let's see how we have done. So it's very easy and very simple. You have to use the React and the use date from the React and the date picker from this React multi date picker. So this is basically a component, right? So here we have a date. So basic date example, so on change set the date. You can console that date also, what exactly the values of that one. Okay, so this is how, and this is the component for the date picker. You can use it, right? And we have called this into our main app.js file, right? So for calling the date one, just you have to just call this date picker, and whatever functions you want to click, you want to set the date, you want to console that date, you want to pass the date, so you can do this way. Okay, so this is how you can just add a date picker or the calendar into your React application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.